check it out. Which one are we looking at?
This is an A body here.
Oh, okay.
This one we did the 4-link and independent front end.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to do the 4-link a little bit later.
That's the 4-link with the big wide tires on it.
Oh man, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna show you my rear end. It's in the back of the truck though.
Okay.
I painted it myself.
And then here's how it. This has got a manual rack on it, not a power rack.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do the power rack.
Yeah, that's what you got.
It's beautiful. Besides engine in here.
This is just the 340.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the coilovers here. And
Oh,
it's got
yeah.
the big brakes on it.
Yep. Yep. Sure does.
Should have that in about an hour.
Oh yeah, that's it.
It's pretty quick. They go in pretty quick.
Good, good. That's less money I need to pay. Dark. You guys paint too here or something? Oh wow.
Got the best painter you'll ever find in the United States of America.
See, you trying to make me come all the way back.
That's a 40 Ford we did.
You know what?
That. That's got a Coyote engine in it. You can barely.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you can take a look at that.
See, I was thinking of painting my car this color.
Really?
Is this that Dodge color?
No, this is a Porsche color.
It's a Porsche color? I thought it was the Destroyer gray. No?
No,
It's the Porsche?
It's a metallic, really, if you look at it.
Oh, okay, good. Ooh, look at those gauges. Put the battery in the back.
Battery's in that. See the battery sitting here, and then there's a case for it.
Yeah. Yeah. Battery eliminator here.
Yeah, right there's the case. See the aluminum box.
Man, so how much do one of these? How long do it take?
This one here.
A couple years.
This is long build. Yeah.
Beautiful though. Coyote engine. Man, whose car is this?